Did you ever think coding could be pure magic? It's not about wands or potions, it's about power-packed keyboards and screens. Imagine wielding the power to craft realities from nothing, to breathe life into the abstract. That's coding for you. It's the modern-day wizardry. Coders, our wizards, use a unique language to weave their enchantments. In their realm, these enchantments are known as algorithms. Each algorithm is a potent charm that, when cast rightly, can conquer feats from crafting a virtual reality game to predicting weather, or even launching rockets into space. Coding isn't just an act of typing, it's a high-octane art, an electrifying journey. It's about tackling challenges, architecting solutions, and turning the unthinkable into the feasible. It's about catapulting the ordinary into the realm of extraordinary. Like a wizard's journey in spellcasting, a coder's adventure in algorithm writing is magical and thrilling. Buckle up, the magic is just unfurling. In the world of magic, wizards have grimoires. In the world of coding, programmers have algorithms. Imagine, if you will, a wizard's grimoire. It's a book of spells, each one a precise set of instructions that, when followed to the letter, can conjure up something extraordinary. Now imagine a coder's algorithm, a sequence of steps designed to solve a problem or achieve a specific outcome. Just like a spell, each algorithm is a recipe, a formula, a unique combination of elements that, when executed in the right sequence, can create something extraordinary. This is the spellbook of a coder. Algorithms are the magic words they use to command the digital realm. They are the incantations that summon powerful applications, the enchantments that charm data into revealing its secrets, the charms that bring the inanimate to life. Consider for a moment artificial intelligence, the conjuring of conscious thought from cold, unfeeling silicon. It's akin to summoning a golem from clay or a sprite from the wind. And yet it's achieved not through mystical rites but through the precise, logical and methodical application of algorithms. Each line of code, each instruction, each decision structure is a word in the incantation, a symbol in the spell. But don't be fooled, this is no haphazard process. Each algorithm is meticulously crafted. It's designed, tested and refined again and again until it works exactly as intended. It's a process of creation that requires not just technical knowledge but creativity, imagination and an understanding of the problem at hand. And the result? Just like a powerful spell, a well-crafted algorithm can create wonders. Applications that can learn, adapt and evolve, systems that can understand human language, recognize faces, predict trends, and so much more. This is the power of the coder's spellbook. This is the magic of algorithms. Just like a powerful spell, a well-crafted algorithm can create wonders. It's all about knowing the right incantations. Now, imagine a spell that can think for itself, learn and improve. That's the magic of AI. In this realm of wizardry, we are not just casting static spells but creating dynamic entities. These entities, or artificial intelligence algorithms, are like magical beings, capable of learning, adapting and evolving. They are not confined to the initial conditions set by the coder. Instead, they grow from these conditions, much like a tiny seed sprouting into a towering tree. Take for instance, self-driving cars. They're not just programmed to follow traffic rules, they constantly learn from the driving environment and adjust their behavior accordingly. Or consider voice assistants. They don't just recognize your voice, they understand your preferences, your dialect, and even your mood, transforming your commands into tangible actions. Remember, a coder does not just write code, they breathe life into lines of syntax, creating a world where technology and magic intertwine. In the hands of a skilled coder, the possibilities with AI are as limitless as magic itself. The journey of a coder, like that of a wizard, is never-ending. There's always a new spell to learn, a new algorithm to master. It's an adventure filled with curiosity and wonder, where every line of code is a doorway to countless possibilities. Just as the most powerful spells are born from a deep understanding of magic, the most impactful algorithms are crafted from an intimate knowledge of coding. This journey is not for the faint of heart. It requires patience, as the most potent spells aren't conjured in a day. Practice, as every wizard knows, perfects the craft. And most importantly, curiosity, for it is the driving force that propels us to uncover the hidden secrets of the coding universe. So, are you ready to embark on this magical journey? To weave spells in the form of code, to unravel the mysteries of algorithms, to create magic with AI? Are you ready to don your wizard's hat and start your magical journey into the world of coding? Subscribe to our channel for more such enchanting journeys. The magic awaits you.